Hi, today I want to talk to you about what does healthy eating even mean? So many times I meet with people and they want me to do a talk on how to healthy eat for longevity or whatever. And I love that topic, but where I get stuck is if I get into a fight over what is best with the people in the audience, it doesn't do anybody any good. Every single individual person is going to have different value systems in terms of, do we eat more vegetables? Do we eat more protein? Do we eat different things? So it really depends upon the outcome. One of the biggest reasons why all humans eat is for taste. So a lot of the times, if you don't like the food, you're not going to eat it unless you're a very small population that is willing to put yourself in situations where you eat food even though you don't like it. And there are some programs that say things like nothing tastes as good as skinny feels, or, just buckle down and just do it, even if you don't like it. That type of thinking is very in line with no pain, no gain, kind of all of that. One of the biggest roles in food is pleasure. And we really are meant to enjoy our food. Now, you can overindulge and enjoy food to a point where it can cause harm or can have, implications on physical or mental or even emotional well-being. And so pleasuring or enjoying food does not mean going ham. It means, can you enjoy the food that you're eating? And then when you're done, move on. There is sometimes a lot of food noise that stops that process. There is sometimes a lot of shame or judgment or guilt on that process. So healthy eating, these topics turn into what's the best so I can be the best and be perfect. And it doesn't exist. There's no such thing as a perfect food. So a lot of times we can do in general, more people and that I see can benefit from more protein. More people can benefit from structured sort of meals without snacks. More people can benefit from, waiting in between meals to eat anything. More people can benefit from a meal plan or more home cooked meals. So there's lots of things that people can benefit from that I typically see. But to individualize them, you do need like a meal planner or someone that does help you. It's the same with finances. If you really want to get good at your finances, either you're in the industry yourself or you have someone help you. It's the same with any sort of advisement. And so if you're struggling or if you feel like I just know what to do and I don't know how, there's something blocking with the execution, or you don't know how to do it continuously so you actually see an outcome or effects. That's when you seek advice or wise counsel. So what is healthy eating? I think it's what is aligned with you, what makes you feel your best self. And that is so different for everybody. And so I would have two questions to ask yourself. What is it that you want to have with healthy eating? And how do you want to feel? So when you're asking for what is healthy eating, two questions. What is it that I want to have with healthy eating, and how is it that I want to feel? And then that really helps me navigate what your individual goals are. And then I help you get them there. I help you get to that goal. So if this was helpful, hit like and subscribe, and thanks for following along.